Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. This video is all about Odoo Essentials. We have already done a video on Essentials, but it was specialized in the enterprise version. Today's video is all about the community version of Odoo and what all Odoo Essentials are present inside the community. So Odoo Essentials, by letting know of all these things, you can actually manage your business and other operations easily. So here, as a common, if you take the whole Odoo software, there are a lot of things which are provided by Odoo, and in this video, we'll be talking about that. So let's move on to the video. So the very first essential that we have is the stages.
Stage are the vertical columns that you can see inside the pipeline of different modules such as CRM, there we have project and help desk. Okay, so it will be particularly see inside the Kanban board or the Kanban view. So there we have a card typer, task, or there we have the leads as well. Okay, so you can see the sales journey and as well as the task completion inside a particular stages. You can simply rename a stage like new, on progress, on, loss, something like that, and you can customize it like you can simply put rotten days, which means the rotten detection. Okay, so if any of your particular leads or opportunity is sitting for a long time inside a stage, you can simply give a rotten days and it will be giving you a red alert as well. Okay, and they we can customize, like if you want to add any particular salesperson or a sales team inside the stages, you can do as well. Okay, so lastly here we have one more thing, which is folding and unfolding of your stages. Okay, so if any of your stage need to fold, like you don't want to show up inside your Kanban view, you can simply put that into the fold stage, and there we have an unfold section as well. And inside a stage, you can particularly see the progress bar, which means if you want to put that particular task or a lead inside in progress already or block stage, you can do that. Okay, so that's all about the overview of the stage. So you can simply use the stage and you can customize it as per your concern and needs.
You can schedule activities on the task to set the reminders that you want to do in Odoo. So the scheduling of activities can be of different ways. It can be a call, sending off email, or setting a proposal or to do. Once an activity is scheduled, it is easy to identify the activities by looking onto the icon in the task. The scheduling of activity can be done in different modules such as inventory, purchase, accounting, CRM, and so on. Now let's see how can we schedule an activity in Odoo Community.
The next essential is the reporting section. So almost in every module you can find this reporting. Okay, so if you take the sales module and all, you have a menu called the reporting, under which you have sub menus, and each of these menus will be showing data corresponding to the module. So in reporting, basically it is to analyze and visualize your data, and here to as you all know, to analyze the data, we have different types of graphs like the bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. So that is the graphical view. Then we have the pivot table, which is the tabular representation of the exact same thing. So if you're taking the sales module, there you have a menu, which is the reporting, under which you have the sales analysis. Okay, so just by taking a look at this graphical representation, you will get to know what all things are happening inside that specific module. So as you all know, for each module, you have specific reporting, and it makes your works pretty much easier. So let me show you what the reporting looks like.
So next is basically search bars. Search bars are the multi-functional command center inside each modules of Odoo. Okay, so it allows you to refine the complicated data or huge data into specific one as per your concerns and needs. So you can use the three options inside a search bar, which means the filters, group by, and the favorite. So filters are using to filter all of the huge data into specific ones using the standard filters, like if you are taking the CRM module, there we have the opportunities, lost and won. And you can also customize the filters as per your needs if you are not satisfied with the standard ones. And there we have the group by. If you want to group by using a particular customer, or there we have for the salesperson, you can use the group by. And lastly, here we have the favorites. If you need to give any complicated filters into your favorite or star, you can simply use the favorite as well.
Text editor in Odoo is basically used for writing and formatting the text inside a record. It is commonly used in to-do, email, then product details, terms and conditions. And Odoo uses the HTML editor so that you don't need to have knowledge in coding. You can also make changes in the styles, fonts, and other styles of the text. And Odoo also allows you to make or insert the links as well as image into a text editor. And this will allow you to improve the communication and documentation inside the record.
So next is the contacts. You can use this contacts actually to create and manage your contacts effortlessly. Now here in Odoo Community also you have a discrete area where you can manage your contacts. Okay, so from here you can create a contact, you can add multiple addresses to it and all such things. So you have all these buttons which are showing the related activities corresponding to the contacts. Other than that, you also have the option to merge the contacts. In case if a duplicate has been created, there is a need where you have to merge the contacts. So merging is also possible here in Odoo. Let me show you how that is done. Next essential is the importing and exporting of records. So as an enterprise, in community also we have this feature to import and export records from and to Odoo. Okay, so rather than selecting each of the records, you can actually select all of them as a bulk and do the operations over them. So importing as well as exporting is available and possible in Odoo. Let me show you how that is also done. So I hope now you guys know what all essentials are present inside the community version. So go on and try it for yourself and make them thorough. So if you have any doubts over the essentials, please do comment below. We'll be happy to help you guys. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.